It's a Dave and a Bradler.
Yeah.
And we're welding stuff again. Making a bumper.
You say again, it's the first time we've filmed
for the Range Rover.
Well, if you do, don't film under the table yet.
It's a bit of a miss.
Dave?
But yes.
Did you draw my fucking table?
Pretty hunched bumper. Yeah, that was scrap off.
Did I say you could draw my fucking table?
You didn't, I just drew your table.
Alright.
It's measurement 210.
No, I'll let you off.
Or
I thought you was just scribbling.
Or 015, depending on what we're in.
I was seeing 012 to be honest with you, or 17.
Or 17, yeah, there you go. Alright, so
anyway,
yeah.
Gonna do some welding, get your car out of the fucking way, otherwise it's gonna go burn.
It's gonna get hard, hard, hard.
Gotta do it. I don't even know what it looks like, so I can't see jack shit. It's hanging around.
Looks like your head's on fire.
It's getting hot in here. I've now got to clean the visor because I'm being a prat.
No.
That's alright, it's alright. Right, are we ready?
Yeah,
ready.
Go for it. Go for it. Safety first, as always.
I'm just going to point out, ladies and gents, I've only been doing the welding, what, a couple of weeks. I'm not brilliant. It will go wrong because the camera's simply filming. It will go wrong, but we've got all night, haven't we, Dave?
Oh yes. Wouldn't have it any other way, would you, lads and ladies?
You have actually set this up in a really fucking awkward position, mate.
Well, you set it up.
No. Don't blame me. It's like really fucking awkward. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
A little bit more, just in case.
Just in case.
Does look like it's got it, but you know.
Nice.
Non-professional welder alert. Got it.
Got it. Got it.
Looks like burnt shit, but we'll deal with that after.
Ooh.
Don't film close up, it makes it worse than it is.
We're not professional welders.
No. Right.
Same for the other side.
It has held. To be fair, it's got it. We're gonna tidy it up a bit more.
Yeah, yeah. We'll tidy it up afterwards.
This is Dave's little custom bumper. Oh, Dave, I might pull it off. Is that straight enough? That's not straight enough. Is that going to go on your car though?
Probably will.
We've got leeway.
Yeah, we've got leeway. We left enough leeway in there.
I'll just rip the fucker apart.
Yeah, we'll just.
Now look, we're going to lay it my way this time. Because you know.
Yeah, I don't know why you put it around that way.
Shut up. Right. Where's your line?
Right, so line it up at the edge. That's it.
Like that?
Yeah.
On the line or?
Just on the edge of that line.
Like that? Well, you.
Yeah. Holding the phone and adjusting. There we go.
Yeah?
There we go. As you can see, it's going to be a bit of a mammoth bumper.
I take it I'm eventually just welding in every which way direction.
Guess so.
So it don't fucking come off and then we'll grind it up tidy. I always rely on the grinder if you're a bad welder. But...
Oh, I wonder if I can do a slow-mo for the old weld. Hang on.
Slow-mo?
Yeah.
Go on then, I've still
I'm gonna
the thingy yet.
be right back.
Serious, like, Dave with a grinder.
Enjoying yourself.
Yeah. I'm not going to use protection on this occasion.
You know.
But I'd advise anyone else doing this sort of thing, always wear protection.
TRX or safety goggles, right? Well, just like that.
That was quick, wasn't it?
That's what she said.
It's going to be hard.
That's also what she said.
That's not bad for a little copy, mate. Not bad for a little copy at all.
It's alright, isn't it? It's alright, isn't it?
Well, it's your bump, so I don't give a fuck, really.
So, should we try and
what?
show what's going on?
Reassemble.
So,
I don't know.
no, look, if I
fucking saying.
What you saying? Oh no, what's going on?
Might have to take them a little bit shorter, mate. You know what I'm saying? That's
No,
the one
they're a
that
bit
you've
long.
pre-grinded, but
It's a bit long.
even with the right angle, you need a bit. You need to a little bit more. I can't feel that much weld when it's not even touching.
No.
Little bit off. Like that much. So I'm gonna mark that.
He's marking that.
And then you can copy it onto the other one.
I'm taking some length off, aren't I?
Yeah, it helps if you
Helps if I switch plug on first.
this thing here.
Set safety first, you know?
Yeah. Obviously, put the guards out the way.
You know, yeah.
Don't worry
Guards
about
out
that.
of the way,
Have
no
it
gloves.
have your bench grinder mounted right at the end of the bench. If someone walks in, they're
have
gonna.
a baggy, flary shirt on. That
Yeah.
Can get caught up.
At least your air's safe. I don't think any spark would want to fuck with that, mate.
Nah.
Anyway, while he's doing a fucking dodgy job of that, he won't use the grinder. If you can hear me, we semi-tidied up. Shut up, you fuck. We semi-tidied up the welds. We left it a bit rough for now. We're going to sort it out a bit more once we're done. But I'm sure Dave can include a picture in the when he puts this one up of what the bumper's meant to look like. I think we're doing alright, yeah?
Yeah.
I think we're doing alright.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, finger.
Yeah. My finger.
Dirty fingers.
Yeah, I'll put a picture there.
Top corner, yeah, here.
Yeah, yeah. Or there. Just
around
up
there.
Here, so around there somewhere.
Yeah.
I'll stick a picture of what we're basing this bumper off of.
Anyway. It's getting late. You can see either of us. We're going to crack on. Try and get all the noisy stuff out of the way. Every time I talk, you push that into that. We're going to try and get it done tonight anyway, and then we're going to do some editing.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, that's going to be a smelly one, isn't it?
Potentially.
Fucking steamed up because I fucking concentrate on moving. Fucking. See if they're glowing. Sorry about that.
As you can see, we're in a perfectly safe environment for welding. We've got plastic bins, wooden stuff right next to it.
I got it.
Close up. Away.
Stop.
And close.
Giving them zooms.
And away.
Like bird shit.
Is it functional? Your weld.
What?
Is it functional, your weld?
No.
Oh.
It's not meant to be functional, it's meant to be solid.
You can't.
I'll try that one with me, boy.
Well,
just in case you was being sarcastic,
I was
thought
giving
I'd
you a
give
compliment, you wanker.
Oh,
I was going to say, is it functional? Yeah, well then it's a good weld, isn't it? Fucking dickhead. Wanker.
Welds are meant to be solid, not functional. I'm sorry.
It's the same difference.
I've done you.
It's a functional weld, isn't it? If it's not functional, it's going to snap.
It's not meant to be functional.
It serves a functional weld, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So hold something together. Yeah.
Making two become one.
When two become one.
Fuck off, where's the other bit?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like they're shedding, alright.
Ah.
Yeah, happy? No?
Yeah.
Stop fucking snatching it. Right, cut that off anyway, hang on.
Yeah.
You can see just by, yeah? You can see you get decent welds. So my welding's not as bad as it looks when it's on that shit. I'm only defending myself to Dave, not the weld. Fuck off. Everyone else will be going, no, it's still fucking shit.
They're strong welds.
Rivets,
They're strong welds, they're good. So, here we are. Beastly bumper. Looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Eh? So, in here, I'm going to put the old mesh. So, it's going to be a mesh front. Now, look, the dog's danglies. My winch lead can then come through here.
Bit of tidying up.
Bit of tidying up. That's going to come off. The original, this little bumper is going to come off. But yeah, jobbed.
Nice.
Can't believe a
So
hench
this
just
one-
made
so
that
this
look.
one-
Look at it.
So this one obviously is replacing that because that's why we faffed around getting that in the shape, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which has obviously proved to be a bit of an arse, but
Well, the trouble is, for some reason, this shell, even though it lines up with all the holes in the body.
We started, we realised.
No, yeah, we realised it. Yeah. It sits. The body shell itself sits like that
To the chassis.
to the chassis.
So we've done the bumper to the body shell.
Yeah. So the bumper is made to the body shell, so that's why it looks a bit
Out of shape.
out of shape. But when you actually look at it,
bad.
Straight.
And it's going black anyway.
And it's going black anyway, so you're not going to notice it. So, Brad the welding man. The welding man. The welding man. I'll see how excited Brad got about welding, so I thought I'd let him crack on.
Well, I can't do any more of said
Build,
so
yeah.
Yeah,
those videos to come shortly. We're going to do a little bit of editing.
Many.
Not loads, because it's late, but enough to get us going. So yeah, watch this space. And watch this space, because this video isn't finished yet either. I'm going to show you the finishing touches. Yeah, I'll finish it off in my cave, which has now been moved to the garden. I haven't bought it yet, but it's been moved to the garden.
Oh shit, so maybe you will be back round there.
Yeah, I might be back round here, yeah. Or around Carl's garage.
By the time you next come round, that'll be up on the wall.
Yeah, telly,
little
wall.
Little TV.
Yeah, bike off. But yeah.
More toy cars.
See you later.